Meaning of gangsta.
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 Gangsta. Gangsta is a term that originated in the African American community in the United States and refers to someone who is involved in criminal activity or has a tough, streetwise image. The term is often associated with hip-hop culture and rap music. Gangsta rap emerged in the 1980s and 1990s and featured lyrics that glorified violence, drug use, and criminal behavior. However, the term gangsta is also used more broadly to describe any person or thing that is tough or intimidating in appearance or behavior.